Hello student, welcome to this my Mathematic channel. Please share and subscribe this video and give your comments. Now in this video see prove that x raised to a upon x raised to b raised to a plus b dot means it is into, in problem it is given dot. So another bracket x raised to b upon x raised to c bracket raised to b plus c dot in another bracket x raised to c upon x raised to a raised to c plus a equal to 1. We have to prove that after solving this, we have to prove that it is coming 1. So problem is written as it is. Now here c x raised to a, here x raised to b is there. If you are bringing to numerator place, or it is a division, base is same, division, so it what will come, x raised to a minus b raised to a plus b as it is, plus here also x raised to b minus c, because division is upon means it is division, so b minus c in subtraction of index, because base is same and division, raised to b plus c into x raised to c minus a raised to c plus a. Now here bracket raised to, again index is there, so we have to take the multiplication. This law we used, and another this one is also we use that a raised to m bracket raised to n equal to a raised to mn. Then see here and we are using the identity that, see here I told already, here x plus y and x minus y, so x square minus y square, so it will come a square minus b square, x raised to a square minus b square into x raised to b minus c square into x raised to c square minus a square. Very simple. And see here here base is same, multiplication is there, so addition of index, so x raised to a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square, that he written here. See all this index we use x raised to, and see all get here, see a raised plus a square, then here minus a square, so it cancels, means subtraction, minus b square plus b square, so subtraction is 0, minus c square, so x raised to, the overall addition is coming 0, so x raised to 0. You know that here a raised to 0 equal to 1, this law we are using, so x raised to 0 equal to 1. Very simple. Just it is looking very big, just we have to one step we have to do that. Here base is same, so we have to do the, and upon is there means division is there, so minus we have to do only this step. Here now x raised to a upon x raised to b bracket raised to 1 upon ab dot means multiplication, x raised to b upon x raised to c raised to 1 upon bc dot x raised to c upon x raised to raised to 1 upon c equal to 1. So here also same way we are, see x raised previous like this, x raised to division, base is same, so division x raised to minus and raised to 1 upon ab. So like this we are writing, see this law we used. So multiplication what is coming, see here a raised to m, a raised to n equal to a raised to m, in this law we used. So see here a minus b and 1 upon b, so what multiplication, a minus b upon ab, it is coming like this. Okay, so here see, try to understand how multiplication means. Here like this a minus b into 1 upon b, and then final answer is coming a minus, means this is a numerator, is a minus b upon ab. Okay, so like this is coming all multiply, b minus c upon bc, x raised to c minus a upon ac. Okay, and see index is same, so we have to add all these, a upon b upon ab plus b minus c upon bc plus c minus a. So now here don't do directly, here only x raised to all these things, so rough work all these we can add here. See a minus c all we written, so we have to take the addition means we have to take the LCM. So LCM, see here all numerator I have written a b b c and ac, so a is common, b is common, c is common, so only one time, so LCM is abc. Now here by which letter you will multiply, so your LCM is abc and you are taking first fraction, you are taking fractions, this ab is a new denominator, so abc divided by AB, so only this C will remain, so multiply by C. Here see, BC is there and our ABC is there, BC, that means only A will remain, so multiply by A. Here AC is there and ABC, so AC will get cancelled, so only B will remain, so here multiply by B, and then C in bracket A minus B plus A in bracket B minus C plus in B in bracket C upon A. So you have to multiplies AC by C, you have to multiply by this whole bracket, so AC minus BC, then plus as it is A multiply by whole bracket, so AB minus, and this A multiply minus C, so minus AC, this BC and minus AB. So C all get cancelled, you will get the 0 upon ABC equal to 0, means this answer is here. See, here means this one, x raised to 0, that means it is a 1, means all this solving, this addition all we have to solve, then we are getting answer. So x raised to 0, very simple, only addition, subtraction, multiplication we have to do that. Please share and subscribe, give your comments, and thank you for watching.